maybe just define what is open insurance and what it means for you.
And so I would say in terms of open insurance that a platform like ours, now ours is of course what I recommend, but there are many good out there, is the basis to actually get value out of open insurance. And I would say that the concept of open insurance comes from the combination of open AI architecture inserted into the product design, but also on the distribution, because that is also an important element. And if I break that down into two, so the first would be in terms of sharing data to actually create new products, disrupt business models, and actually provide more value out to customers. And if you look at the developed economies over the last 10 years, so the last decade, the premium increase in those markets come primarily from price increase, not from new products, not from disrupting or creating more value to customers. Now, the other point is on distribution. And I do also think that that's an important part of open insurance. And we are currently working with non-insurance players who then also can use their large customer base and get insurers to insert their products into that value chain. And sorry, I'm going on here. But I do think that that also goes into the trust that we'll probably be talking about as well, because especially in developing economies, they might have a trust issue with some of the large financial institutions. And I do think that if you use non-insurance players, the insurers can also then perhaps step over that trust issue because you have a phone, a mobile provider, you trust them, so perhaps I can buy an insurance from them. So, in short, I do think that open insurance will help both with the protection gap, but also on the productivity issue you have in insurance. So I'm positive.